In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Belkhayate Timing Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the Belkhayate Timing Indicator added to your TradingView chart and ready to use, so you can start testing it in your own trading workflow without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged in and you have a chart open in TradingView Pro. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the timeframes and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add almost anything you need. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, in that search bar, start typing Belkhayate Timing. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. Make sure the name you select matches the Belkhayate Timing Indicator you want to use. When you see it appear in the list below, click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will automatically be added to your chart, and you should see its lines and levels appear over your price action. Once the indicator is on your chart, the next step is to fine-tune it. Look for the indicator's name at the top of your chart, usually just under the main toolbar. Next to the name, you'll see a small settings icon. Click on that settings icon to open the indicator's options panel. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like colors, line styles, and sometimes the internal parameters that control how the Belkhayate timing indicator is calculated. Take a moment to explore these options and tweak them so the indicator is easy for you to read. Clear visuals are important, especially if you're combining this with other tools. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro, use the link in my description to create your account. That way you can access the full features, save your chart layouts with the Belkhayate timing indicator applied, and follow along with my future tutorials without running into limitations.